Welcome to the Eliza Studio Quick Starts. This video will cover the installation and license procedure for Eliza Studio on Mac. You can download the current version of Eliza Studio from the L-Acoustics website found here. Fill out the registration form and select your operating system to download the appropriate installer. The Eliza Studio installer for Mac contains a DMG that contains three components: Eliza Controller, Eliza Processor Desktop, and the Eliza Audio Bridge. Double-click to install both the Eliza Controller and the Eliza Audio Bridge packages. Drag the Eliza Processor Desktop into the Applications folder. When installed, open Eliza Controller where you will be greeted with a splash screen for activation. There are three options available to get started using Eliza Studio. Try the full feature set of Eliza Studio with a free 30-day trial, supporting up to 16 physical loudspeaker outputs. Obtain a permanent Eliza free license supporting binaural output, or an existing license key that you may have already purchased. The registration form for the Eliza Studio and Eliza free licenses are the same. Fill out your contact information and activate. Upon accepting the license agreement, you should receive a notification with a successful activation and information regarding your license details. An Eliza Studio license can be purchased from the L-Acoustics e-store. You can find the direct link in the video description below. If you don't have an account, you can create one by filling out the registration form. Upon purchase of a license, you will receive an email with your activation code. This activation can be used on up to 2 machines. In Eliza Controller, you can check your license information by opening the drop-down menu at the top of the software and selecting Show License Info. In the pop-up window, you can view all of your information such as the license type, who it is licensed to, and the current license key. You can release the license key if you need to use this license on another machine, or use a different license for different feature sets. The next video in the series will cover the setup procedure for the Processor Desktop application. This has been the Eliza Studio Quick Start for installation and activation on Mac.